super nice. Just to be here with all the positive ions and the charge of the flow of the water is amazing. And I've never been here before in Poland. It's super cool. I can just imagine it when it's like, I'm pretty much in the waterbed at the moment. But I can pretty imagine when it's just all full of water and it's cascading down. Just the power of nature and just the water going through. Amazing. Normally go for a dip, which is quite far downstream. I now have a visual of where it kind of begins, or the journey it has taken before it gets to me a little bit downstream. And how wonderful is that? So this is the famous waterfall that was shown on the Vice documentary with Wim Hof method, and is actually really a big part of the Wim Hof method world. And it's been a part of my world really over the past few years. I've been guiding people into this waterfall. So moments like this, to have it all to myself, has been so magical, and is so magical. And for me, it's a personal journey. It still is. When I first was in contact with this waterfall, I froze my toes off and I couldn't feel my hands, and had to walk over the bridge you see there and learn the horse dance, which you've just seen me do. It was such an impactful moment in my life that changed my life. It wasn't here that I connected with the water though. I did it through grit and determination. So every time I went into this waterfall in the beginning for me and my journey in the Wim Hof world, I just did it. But I didn't connect to this water till my last day on my Poland trip, where I always say I was the world's worst participant and least likely to become an instructor. On the next video, I get to share with you the place that I truly connected with the water, and what an amazing journey that place is and has been ever since for me. But for now, I just really enjoy all the smiles, all the laughter, all the learnings, all the insight this waterfall has given me. And I love it. And something keeps bringing me back, and I love that too. It's a very dear place to me. I will always hold in my heart.